ano, kung gano'n sila.
Hindi. May game na. Last main, may magre-report na.
Morning classmate, about the report video file.
Pinindot mo ba? Oo.
Author's background. Very tiempo. Tiempo was born in Vizcaya, where parents are managing for a body, and speak nations of significant experiences as a kid. In two of her pieces, namin for the U.S. federal process. As fiction is, life was a morally profound. Her language has been marked as by uncertain by she is an influential tradition in painting in the English. Together with her late husband, writer and critic, Edilberto T. Eco, they founded and directed the Cinema National Writers Workshop in Dumaguete, which has been some of the
Hindi natin klase. Malis ka nga dyan.
Hindi.
Oh, let me go.
Maglabas na kayo ng piso.
Oh, let me pause beside the clear, still full of thought, and with the wide world
Bakit ako bibigay ng piso?
then gaze are really a whispered thought, a pulse beat,
Tama na.
what will the beginning of that be?
Ang kulit na yun. Sipahin kita.
Some spirit and she a lot of ages past, a waiting call from the city of unmindful mind. So let me pause. So might the dull eyes well thought, mystic thought, in seeing joy of Indian minds, some mark the hour as rare. Among the unnumbered key in my the value and importance of books. Persona. The person who loves should not
Nakikita ba yung person mo?
Him herself.
Kung na lang kayo mag-video. Kailangan kasi, mababawasan yung grade yan. Oh, so hindi ko kasalanan yun. Lumapit ka. Wow ha.
The person's feelings and thoughts while leaving the home. Simplify. As I can see his poem is a verse. It has no rhythm and meter. It's called free verse. Free verse has no rules. No rules about meter or rhyme whatsoever. Free verse is also applied to a lack of formal verse structure. So may hirapan tayong malaman kung asan ang elements sa
The quarter of essay.
ang team nito ay the person who's reading up.
Sino mag-report na essay? Ayan o. Question. Ano tayo? Anong ano mo?
Ha? Wala nga si Medo eh.
Sandra ko na. Sino may whiteboard?
Yung first question niya.
Whiteboard marker. Sorry.
What does the poem say that the bibliophile feels whenever he or she is with a book? Read lines to prove your answer. What does the poem say that the bibliophile feels whenever she or he is with a book?
Grabe ang reflex.
Ano? the thought and seeking thought.
Ano? Yun yung book na di-describe ng person. Yun yung book na di-describe ng person.
Last, what message does the persona want to convey?